Hello everyone, Mr. Beast and my fans, everyone's like this video. If you are a Mr. Beast and my fans, everyone's please like this video before starting. As you know guys, this is my third story of today on my this cinema channel on 25 January 2025 for your entertainment purpose. Okay, let's start this story. Imagine this, enjoy this. Alright, folks, gather round. Today we are diving into a wild ride. Literally, Mr. Beast just dropped $1 billion. Mr. Beast dropped $1 billion to build the world's first day roller coaster. Mr. Beast dropped $1 billion to build the world first day roller coaster. Yes, you heard me right. On my this cinema channel on 25 January. This is new one just for you. Yes, you heard me right. $1 billion, that is enough cash to buy a small country or like 10 million tacos. But instead, he is building a roller coaster in his backyard. So picture this. Mr. Beast rolls up with a truckload of lumber, some questionable blueprints and enough enthusiasm to power a small city. He is like, who needs engineers? I have got YouTube. Mr. Beast says, okay, and Mr. Beast says, and I am sitting there here thinking, dude, last time you day had something. It was a giant chocolate factory that melted in the sun. Now, as he starts hammering away like he is auditioning for a construction themed reality show, things take an unexpected turn. He decides to add the loops, because why not? But wait, instead of regular tracks, he uses those inflatable pool slides. Yes, nothing says thrill like a slip and slide for adults. Then comes the grand opening. The first test run is about to begin. Mr. Beast hops on with his trusty sidekick Carl. They strap in and whoosh, up they go. But just as they reach the top of the first hill, Carl screams. Mr. Beast says, I forget my sunscreen. And boom, they fly off the slide and land in a kiddie pool filled with whipped cream. The crowd goes wild, cheering and lugging. Meanwhile, Mr. Beast is flailing around like a fish out of water. He pops up covered in whipped cream and yells, who needs safety when you have chaos? And and there you have it, the world's first day roller coaster. Then and that ended up being an epic wiped cream slip and slide adventure. So remember, kids and everyone's folks, need next time you have $1 billion and a dream, maybe just hire an engineer. Bye for now.